everyone! Another episode of wandering, walking in the nature here in Belgium. Paris! Ah, Paris! You look like a duende. You know duende? Kabouter. I need kabouter. Like, gnomes. Yeah, gnome in Netherlands.
Nederlands is kabouter.
Kabouter. In English, gnome. Gnome. Ooh. Hihihihi. Perisha bleh. Perisha is happy. So it's nice in here. So this is one of Bjorn's pastime. Bjorn hobby now. Because before we're always jogging. But now we have Paris.
I can still do jogging.
Jogging with Paris. Papa, wait. Oh, fresh air. I really love nature. So it's really good for your health and relaxing. So that's what we do when we have time. And also good for Paris to learn something new, not always staying at home. Right, Papa? Right, Papa Bjorn?
Yes.
Because she was very curious around her. She likes walking, not only like still.
She likes trees.
She likes trees like that, waving around her. Yeah? Looking around. Ooh, what is that? What is that?
I think something's gonna catch you. They like Filipinos.
No, it looks like what's that? Because in the Philippines, I told you, we have a
Yeah, but I told you already that's only in the Philippines.
tabi-tabi po. If you're in the nature, you need to say pasok. What is that? Oh yeah.
It's like a bread.
Ah yeah, it looks like a bread. You seen that? And that too is a mushroom, right?
What is this?
Is that castanya?
No, sweetie, that's hazelnuts. Look, this is
Ah
a
yeah,
hazel tree.
hazelnuts.
So in a few weeks, maybe a few months, you're gonna have hazelnuts in here for free.
And we can eat that. Oh, you hear that? Maybe we go next time. The hazelnuts are already ripe.
Well, not next time, maybe in September.
In
October.
September usually. But not all of the fruits you can eat, right? In this nature, because some of them are poisonous too. So beware, watch out.
You can definitely eat hazelnuts, so that's not poisonous.
Hazelnut is a nut, so that's healthy. It's good for oatmeal, snacks. and it has a good source of oil and protein, right?
If you say so, I don't know. Look, this is the same leaf, so that's also hazelnut. So there's plenty of hazelnut in here.
So it's just they just pop out everywhere. Nobody plant them, right, Livia? Ah,
There's
yeah.
plenty of hazelnut trees in here.
Wow, they already have fruits. But this one, the plant that are crawling from the trees are poison ivy. Like that ivy, is that ivy?
No, it's called poison ivy.
Yeah.
I would not
So
eat
what's
it.
it? Poison ivy. From the Joker. Poison ivy. Papa, hermut. Maybe remove it, it's not really warm. It's not really hot. This one too, babe. Hazelnut. Is it?
Yeah, it's full in here. Just like in the forest, also in Enderleeuw, it's full with hazelnuts. Like those trees too, there.
Wow. We can come back again and pick some.
Now look. See, there's cows in there.
Uh-huh. Did you remove her hat?
Yeah.
Okay. Blue skies. Nice weather.
Look at this.
What is that?
I don't have an idea. It's okay.
Ah, look at the cow. There, oh. Black and white. Yeah, but they were sitting earlier. I can't see. Yay! I feel so warm now. I need to remove my jacket. Because when you walk, it feels warm. So walking in nature is a good idea to burn your calories and fat after eating hamburgers. I ate hamburgers earlier because I'm really hungry. Tension. So, exploring nature. But I miss the one in nature in Ehimbos Leaf, yeah. Because we missed the hyacinths.
There was lockdown, so it's not possible.
Yeah, because of lockdown, we cannot visit a lot of parks and nature. Some of them are closed, but this one is open, so. But how many degrees now, Livia?
I don't know because I'm tracking my
Oh,
something like 24, 25.
where are you going? Sit. Oh, look at the wind. So a lot of people are jogging.
I wanted to try this one.
This one we need to try. Ooh. The trees are dancing, Paris. Look. I like the colors of the tree. What is that? Ouch. Oh, there's a lot of, what is that?
I don't know.
Strawberries.
It's not strawberries.
It's like strawberries that
Yeah,
we've
maybe
had,
wild ones.
but wild ones. You cannot eat them.
Ah, that's good. It's like a close down, like in Denderleeuw.
It's another nature route. We can go inside.
Like in Denderleeuw.
Ah, and here you can see the cow and butterfly.
Ah, this is a side I haven't done yet. But there's gonna be like those Galloway cows.
Galloways.
And even horses too.
And what is that kind of butterfly? Koning.
Koninginnenpage.
It's nice. There's a blue. And this one. Okay, we go inside. Oops, sorry.
Look in here.
What is that? What is ah, blueberries?
Look in here more.
Look at these.
Look there. Look there.
And this one is still
No,
green.
Here.
Ah, yeah, but you can eat that?
Those are edible, yeah.
Blueberries. We can make a blueberry tart. Yeah, I saw it in here too. Bjorn knows a lot more with plants. Me, I don't know. Because Bjorn always jogging
Bjorn
here.
has better eyes than Rachel.
Yeah.
She's only blogging.
Yeah, I want to vlog. That's my passion.
And me and Paris, we are watching.
I want to document some of the footage that you'll never be coming back. You'll never be. Ah, look, that's not coming back. This one is so nice, but this one is sting.
It's a thistle.
Yeah, but they said
Officially, by law, if you have this in your garden, you need to take it away.
why?
You cannot keep that.
It's dangerous because it's itchy.
I'm not 100% sure why, but you are allowed to. No, you're obliged to take it out of your garden.
But it's growing too high.
And if you touch this one on the bottom side, there is like hairs, and in those hairs, it's very stingy. We call them brandnetel in Dutch. But I know from old people, they use it to make some kind of soup with it. You can make soup out of it. And why it's also good for, if you have roses in your garden and you have like those little lice on it, you make a soup with this. You just let it soak for a night in like 10 liters of water, and then in that soup that you have with 10 times more water, and that you spray on your roses, and you're not gonna have lice again on your roses.
Is it? So that's a good, very informative lessons from Bjorn. But I heard from a friend that they said it was a herbal that you can drink as a tea.
Yeah, you can drink it as a tea.
Look at these. So there's a lot of
Actually, it is
wild
strawberries. It's a frugaria. I can see it at the leaf now. Before I didn't see the leaf, but this leaf is definitely strawberry leaf.
Yeah, we can pluck them but not eating them. Wait, I'm gonna pluck one. Look, strawberries, but it's really, really very small. That's why you cannot even eat it. So, when we were walking in the nature, we always bring also a plastic bag, so if you have something to eat, candies or see seen garbage, please don't throw it because respect the nature. Like something like this. I drank it earlier, so I don't want to throw it somewhere else. I'm gonna keep it in my bag. I'm gonna throw it later. We've seen also a lot of butterflies, but they said the trick to catch the butterfly is really early in the morning when the butterflies are still sleepy, and if it's really cold,
Not when it's sleepy, because in the morning it's colder.
cold, yeah.
And if it's cold, they're not moving so fast.
Hmm. And then that's the perfect time you can capture a great photo of the butterfly. Paris, are you still in Paris dreamland? I heard it like it's like a door that opening.
Yeah.
It's from the trees, from the wind, right?
Yeah, there's some kind of Filipino creature that's somewhere living in a tree and it's gonna capture her.
Oh, they said you need to say tabi tabi po, excuser, excuse me. So Bjorn's thinking another wild route,
No, but this looks like the one we took before.
like the one with the butterflies.
It looks like that one.
Look, I saw something. Mushrooms.
Mosquitoes.
Yeah, there are mosquitoes, so not good for baby Paris. But she wears a covered one on her arms and legs and shoes. So oh, so windy. The trees are singing. Very sure. What is that, Papa? A butterfly. White butterfly. Because it rained earlier, so maybe they cannot fly so fast, huh? And look at this. What do you call this leaf here?
Some kind of mushroom.
Mushroom, but it's in the trees. Haven't seen that in the Philippines because we didn't have so much nature like this.
Look, fern.
Yeah, fern plants.
Not
But
fern, man. Fern.
fern plant, I know. I studied this in my second year high school, like for the biology. Pasok, Papa. And what is nice to walk in the nature because here they make also a footpath. Like you can walk, there's a foot passage. bring your camera so we can take nice picture again. There's a lot of mosquito. Big trees. Parisha. Paris. Paris is not sleepy, always looking for the trees. So this is the end of our video. I hope you like our quick tour in the nature in the Osbroek. So we're gonna sign up for now. Until the next adventure with Paris. See you next time. Bye.